Welcome back. You may have an image that you want to use in your PowerPoint presentation, but you don't want the background. For example, if we were to get an image from our hard drive, when we get the image, what we're going to do is to point to the image. We're then going to click on Remove Background. What we then want to do is we want to mark the areas that we want to keep. And we'll basically begin marking the areas that we want to keep using the tool. We can also use the opposite controls and mark the areas we want to remove. What we're going to do now is we're going to keep our changes. And you'll see then that our background has basically been removed. We can then go back and we can do more work with the apparent tools, or we can use the tool as is. In this case, we'll get a stock photo. We'll click on top of the image. We're then going to click on Remove Background. And we're basically then going to mark the areas that we want to keep. And once we've made our changes, we can keep our changes. And again, we can go back and work more on our image. However, we can start the basic process inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.